St. Bonaventure says the holy name of Jesus is powerful because it brings down our enemies, restores our strength, and renews our mind. In it is contained the foundation of faith, the ground of hope, and the fulfillment of holiness. It is gladness to the heart and splendor to the mind. It nourishes when it is recalled, soothes when it is uttered, anoints when it is invoked, refreshes when it is written, and instructs when it is read. It gives sight to the blind, makes the lame walk, brings hearing to the deaf, speech to the dumb, and life to the dead. The holy name of Jesus saves you from the vanities of the world which entice you, from the deceits of the devil which surround you, and from the weakness of the flesh which torments you.